Okay, so without wasting any time, let us make our new HTML file called index.html. We're gonna quickly add up the boilerplate, and in the title, we will name it Indian flag, okay? And after that, inside the body, we are gonna make a div tag and give it an ID called main, okay? Now let us study how does Indian flag looks like, okay? So here, we can observe that the Indian flag has an saffron color strip on the top and a green color strip on the bottom and a white one in the middle, and in the center we also have Ashoka Chakra, okay? So what we are gonna do is inside the main div we are gonna create more three divs, okay? So the first div would be top, the second div would be center, and the third div would be bottom, okay? Okay, now we are gonna make a new CSS file called style.css. We are gonna quickly link up the CSS file. So inside the head, we are gonna do link CSS, okay? Now we are gonna target the top, okay? So here we are gonna do hash top. Now we will give it a width of like 400 pixels and height of 100 pixels, and background color, here we'll copy the hex code from here and paste it here. Okay, now let's go live. Okay, now we got our saffron color stuff. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna style the bottom one, okay? So in the VS code, we are gonna target the bottom one. So hash bottom, we'll also give it a width of 400 pixels and height of 100 pixels and background of a green one, okay? So we are going to simply copy this code from here and paste it here, okay? Now we also got this strip here. Now we are going to also make the center one, okay? So here we are going to target the center one, okay? Now we are going to give it a width of 400 pixels and height of 100 pixels and background color of white. So we are going to copy white from here and paste it here, okay? Hash paste. Now as we can see, we got our three colors. Now it's really very difficult to make Ashoka Chakra in using raw CSS, so we are going to simply just download the Ashoka Chakra from internet and paste it, okay? So we'll search for Ashoka Chakra. Okay, we are going to copy this one. So right click and save image as. Okay, now we are going to paste it in our folder. Where is the folder? Yeah, this one. Okay, so we are going to paste it, save it here. Okay, now what we are going to do is in the HTML one, in the div center, we are going to create another div, okay, and give it an ID called Ashoka Chakra, okay. Now inside this, we are going to use image tag and give it the image, okay. So and save it. Now okay, now we are gonna give this chakra some width and height. So in the CSS we're gonna target that one. So in the div Ashoka Chakra, target the image, okay? So here we'll give it a width of 100 pixels and height of 100 pixels, and let's see it. Okay, now we got the logo in the correct size. Now let's make it center, okay? So we are gonna make the div itself and flex box. So we are gonna only target the Ashoka Chakra. So Ashoka Chakra, we are gonna make it an flex box, so display flex simply we are gonna do align item center. Okay, and also justify content center. Okay, now we got the Ashoka Chakra in the center, and as you can see, we got our beautiful Indian flag. I hope you like this video.